Hey everyone, in today's video I'll walk you through on how to become an affiliate partner of ULTA Beauty. So I'm currently on ULTA Beauty's website. You can definitely just go directly to this link. So yeah, I have it here at the top. So it's www.ulta.com and then /ulta/common/affiliate.jsp, or you can just pause the video and copy this link. Alrighty, so yes, so right now we're going to I will walk you through on how you can apply as an affiliate partner of ULTA Beauty and how you can earn. So as an ulta.com affiliate, you can place the links, promotional banners, and available products on your website and begin earning commissions. And the entire shopping and buying experience happens on ulta.com. Promotional benefits: 1. Everyday free shipping offers. 2. Exclusive free gifts with qualifying purchases. 3. Buy one get one free promotions. 4. Online coupon codes. 5. Affiliate special offers. On how to join their program, you can just click on complete our online registration form, this link, and then they will review or contact you once your account is being approved or your site is approved. And you can also click on join the ulta.com affiliate program today, this link, either way. Okay, so once we click on this link, it would route us to the application form, pretty sure. Okay, so here's the account information that you need to fill out, and you just need to fill in all the necessary information right here, and once done you can hit on continue. So from here it would ask for basic information, so you need to fill in all the basic information, especially your website information, because it's where you would integrate the links. Alright, and your country. So let me just choose country Philippines, and bank location is in the Philippines, and currency, yes. Thank you. And of course it would going to be the one in Hong Kong or Kuala Lumpur, Singapore. We have the same time and address. Okay, phone number is also in the Philippines. Okay, here we go. So from here you would determine if your country does participates or they allow affiliate partnership in your country, if you can find your country on the selection or the drop down list right here, right? So I'll just go ahead and fill out all the information. From here I'm going to pause the video and then we'll continue after me completing the form. Okay, alright, so after you fill out all the necessary information being asked, then you can just click on continue button right here. So first off, we had created our account, so the next step in the process is to fill out the additional information. Okay, so for additional information they had media partner information, so you just need to fill in the description right here, and primary promotional method, so I have chosen content. Secondary promotional methods, so I have chosen social media and then /influencer, and then offline promoting countries is in the Philippines, and proper media properties, so this is gonna be your website name, your website URL, and what does your website offers. So I put in here travel booking and blog website, and then hit continue. Account administrator information, so okay, Alright, so this is gonna be very personal. We'll pause the video and then we'll get back to you once done. Okay, thank you. And once done, you just need to hit and continue button. So I think this is the last part, and review and accept the commercial terms. You can just go right ahead and read all these terms and conditions. You can also download, so let's download the program terms. So we would have the copy. Okay, and alrighty, there you go. So I have it downloaded. And so lastly, you just need to enter the characters shown there to complete your application. Okay, yeah, it looks like I have successfully submitted my account. So they just wanted me to validate my email address. Okay, so currently I'm on my email, the email address that I used to apply or submit an application to ULTA.com. And so they asked me here to just confirm my email address, which I already did. And after me confirming my email address, I received another email that says application received, and here it says, thank you for applying as partner of ULTA. Your application will be reviewed and processed as soon as possible. When we have completed the processing, you will receive a confirmation about your application status. Alrighty, so I think that's pretty much it. I will just go ahead and wait for the confirmation coming from ULTA regarding my application. So it's pretty much it on how you can request or apply as an affiliate partnership with ULTA, especially if you're into beauty niche or into makeup. I hope this helps, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.